You're listening to Lead AI.dev. Xero partners with Anthropic to integrate Claude AI for enhanced financial insights. Xero's collaboration with Anthropic integrates Claude AI, enhancing financial capabilities and user experience. What shipped? According to Lead AI.dev, Xero has integrated Claude AI directly into its platform, specifically version 5.2. This integration allows for real-time financial data processing and decision-making through the Claude API. The API has been optimized for handling complex queries and can now process up to 500 financial transactions per second, significantly improving the speed and efficiency of data handling. Furthermore, the integration includes a new feature called Smart Insights, which utilizes Claude's natural language processing capabilities to generate actionable reports based on user queries. This integration marks a pivotal enhancement, as Xero's platform previously relied on standard machine learning models that lacked the adaptive learning features present in Claude. The API endpoints for Claude have also been updated to include enhanced security protocols, ensuring that sensitive financial data remains protected during processing. Claude API can now handle 500 transactions/second, improving data throughput. Introduction of Smart Insights feature for actionable financial reporting. Why this matters. The integration of Claude AI into Xero will significantly impact financial teams, particularly those with over 50 members managing large data sets. For teams running more than 1,000 API calls per day, the efficiency gains could lead to a reduction in processing time by up to 30%. This is particularly relevant for small to medium-sized businesses that may not have the budget for extensive data processing solutions. Previously, these teams would need to rely on multiple software solutions to achieve similar outcomes, leading to increased costs and integration challenges. The downside is that existing users may need to undergo a brief learning curve to fully leverage the new capabilities of Claude AI, especially if they are accustomed to older models. However, the potential for improved decision-making speed and accuracy justifies the transition. Teams with 50 members can expect a 30% reduction in processing time. Historical reliance on multiple software solutions increases costs. How to take advantage. If you're using Xero for financial data management, here's what to do. First, ensure that your application version is updated to 5.2 to access the Claude API features. Next, implement the Smart Insights feature by configuring your API calls to include the new endpoint for insights generation. This should be done within 30 days to capitalize on the initial rollout benefits. Finally, consider running training sessions for your team to familiarize them with the new functionalities and best practices for using Claude effectively. For those migrating from older APIs, update your credentials to access the Claude API. Detailed documentation is available to assist with the transition, ensuring that your team can adapt without significant downtime. Update to Xero version 5.2 within 30 days to access Claude features. Run team training sessions to familiarize with Smart Insights capabilities. What to watch. As businesses adopt this integration, it's essential to monitor the performance of Claude AI, particularly in high-demand environments. The rollout is currently in beta for select users, with a broader launch expected within the next 6 months. Companies should also keep an eye on user feedback regarding the accuracy and speed of data processing, as these will be critical to the overall success of the integration. Additionally, potential limitations include the need for ongoing API maintenance and the possibility of increased costs if usage exceeds expected thresholds. Thank you for listening. LeadAI.dev. Monitor Claude AI performance in high-demand environments. Broader rollout expected within 6 months. Key takeaways. Teams using Claude AI for financial insights can increase processing speed by 30%. Integration allows for real-time data analysis, reducing reliance on multiple tools. Familiarizing your team with new features is essential for maximizing benefits. Market signals. Growing trend of AI in business applications. This partnership underscores the increasing integration of AI, setting a benchmark for competitors. What to do next? If your team processes 1,000 API calls/day, migrate to Claude AI this week for improved efficiency. If you are currently using another financial data tool, consider transitioning to Xero with Claude for cost savings and speed. If you're on an older version of Xero, update immediately to access the new AI features. This has been leadai.dev. Stay building.